Welcome back. Just got some very cool things in the mail from our friends at HOBOLITE. I want to thank Kieran. Thank you so much for developing this relationship. These are very well designed and well thought out light systems from HOBOLITE, and I don't know what I got sent, so let's discover that together. First off, they got what they call the Mini Creator Kit. So this is what it is, and let's see in the box what's in it. My goodness, this packaging. I saw a lot of people online talking about HOBOLITEs, but I've never actually seen myself what the kit looks like. So let's go inside here and see what is inside. Oh my god, look at the packaging. Can we appreciate the attention to detail on the packaging itself? And this is the device. This is so small, but it looks very well designed. This is metal. And how about we open it, and how about we, oh, there you go, there you have it. So this is the HOBOLITE Creator Kit. This is the master kit, and there's modifiers, there's like even a gobo type thing. This is very cool. There's a mounting system in it, so if you look at this here, and wow, I'm very impressed by both the product that I'm gonna use in the next few days, and I'm gonna report back, but this looks like a freaking Leica product. Maybe there's a connection there with Kieran going from Leica to HOBOLITE, but this is very high end. This is the Creator Kit, or the Master Creator Kit, should I say. Let's put it back here, and then you've got the, oh sorry, no, that was the Micro, or the Mini Creator Kit. So that was the Mini Creator Kit, and here we've got the Master Kit, Micro Master Kit. Let's see what's in it, right there, and open it up. And again, just a beautiful, look at those small lights. This is, again, very good packaging. There is a stick to put the light on, and look at this little mini light. This is beautiful. Oh my God, I've never been excited about lighting, quite honestly. It's something that it's a necessity. You kind of have to have good light, but this I think I'm gonna really like. And how about we do this? I think they even come charged. Yeah, they do, and look at that. You can choose the temperature right from that switch, colder, and then here's warmer. Man, the intensity. This is pretty cool. I know I sound like a fanboy already, and I haven't even tried the products, but I appreciate a very well-designed product like HOBOLITE. There's even some leatherette on the actual device. Here's a USB charging, I think it might be, just to give it more power. Small gobo. Wow, this charging kit with this. This is pretty cool. I think I'm gonna love it. Oh, and some gels, even some gels to modify the color of the light. You've got blue, red, pink, yellow. Whoa, let's try not to break it before using it. And there was a third thing in it. Let's see what it is. It's in a small box like this one, and what is it? Let's see. This is HOBOLITE package. Again, very cool in terms of the packaging. It's a bit more artsy on that front, and they call it Iris. Nice. And oh my God, look again, the packaging. You gotta respect the packaging here. This is so freaking cool. There you go. This is the mini, ultra mini light. Very portable, and they even give you like a prismatic type thing, I guess, that you can put it on. Well, oh, it's magnetic. It's magnetic. Oh my God, there's even an aperture type thing here. Holy moly, this is something. It's a camera. It has the form of a camera. It's like a nice little camera right here. It has that press. I'm gonna have to try that. I think I'm gonna try that first thing. I guess it's just a light, right? How does it work? Well, there you go. Oh, there you go. How about we do this? Whoa, oh my God, this is so cool. Okay, I'm gonna need this to calm down. Those are just lights, right? But, oh my God, is that cool. Little modifier here. Comes in this very, very cool box right here. So, yeah, I guess this is from HOBOLITE. Well, I don't guess. This is from HOBOLITE. And if you have any questions, please ask them down below. I'm gonna test it over the next few days and report back. Again, thank you, Kiran and the whole bunch at HOBOLITE for hooking me up with all this very, very innovative, well-built, from the feel of it, type of lighting system. And for those of you who haven't picked up my zine, I encourage you to go see Humans After All. This is a zine that's been identified by Blurb as their staff pick. I guess they liked it. And thank you for all of you guys who bought it, either the print copy like this one or the digital copy that you can find on my website in the link down below. Thank you so much, guys. I'm going to shoot some stuff outside today, but also going to play with the HOBOLITE. Cheers.